Creamy coffee punch with ice cream floats recipe, refreshing summer drink. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing coffee punch with ice cream floats. It's the perfect drink to cool off on a hot summer day, so let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups of strong brewed coffee, chilled. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 2 cups of milk. 2 cups of heavy cream. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Ice cream, your choice of flavor. Whipped cream, optional, for garnish. Chocolate syrup, optional, for garnish. Maraschino cherries, optional, for garnish. Instructions. First, in a large mixing bowl, combine the chilled coffee, sugar, milk, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Stir until the sugar is dissolved and everything is well combined. Now, it's time to assemble our ice cream floats. Fill a glass halfway with the coffee punch mixture. Next, add a scoop or 2 of your favorite ice cream on top. You can use any flavor you like, but I'm using vanilla ice cream today. Now, for an extra touch of sweetness, you can drizzle some chocolate syrup over the ice cream. And of course, no ice cream float is complete without some whipped cream on top. Finally, garnish with a maraschino cherry for a pop of color. And there you have it, our delicious coffee punch with ice cream floats. Perfect for any summer gathering or just a refreshing treat for yourself. So creamy and delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.